Har Har Mahadev, a big hello to all of you. This is your friend, mentor, and guide Neeti. And I wanted to discuss something really important with all of you. And this is about the Mercury, which has gone retrograde. It is also known as the divine messenger, and it is one of the swiftest planet. Would you not want to know that how it will affect our lives, keeping in mind all the positivity, because when a planet goes retrograde, people normally think as if something bad is going to happen. It's not so. We are going to go through certain experiences which are going to reveal certain things deeper to us with deeper meanings, so that we can understand our lives better. At this point of time, we normally have 3 Mercury retrogrades in a year, but in this 2022 we are going to have 4 of them, and the first of it has already begun. That is around the 14th of January, that is on the Sankrant day. And right now the 2 powerful transits are happening simultaneously. The energy is passing through the revolutionary Aquarius till the 24th January, and the Capricorn, the most practical sun sign, the zodiac Capricorn, until 4th of February. So Mercury is also called as the divine messenger because it brings along with it a lot of messages. Mercury energetically rules the thinking, the exchange of ideas, and speaking, writing, etc. Learning to analyze things, comprehending things in the right way, going out of the way to understand things, and trying to connect. It will also involve a lot of travel, timing, and through various indicated things above, the most commonly affected during this Mercury retrograde is that we remember that it is a very powerful archetype of a healer, an alchemist, and serving to us as a catalyst force, leading to transformation and चेंज. सो इट मीन्स कि अगर आप लोग कुछ चेंजेस के बारे में सोच रहे थे और आपका दिमाग उसको लेके नहीं चल रहा था, सो दिस विल बी द टाइम व्हेन आइडियाज विल पॉप अप दैट व्हाई सर्टेन थिंग्स आर नॉट वर्किंग आउट योर वे. इट विल मेक यू थिंक. And Venus is currently retrograde. In certain areas it is said that it's still 19th, others have said that it's still 29th. So both these planets together will make you think a lot and make you act accordingly, so that you can manifest the kind of life you want. During this time, we will be asked to reflect on the ways that limit our expansion, which are our limiting beliefs. We will have to reflect upon our behaviors regarding stability, security, and integrate a new kind of understanding about our visions and goals. So we are asked to reflect on the aspect of our lives so that we can be in alignment to our highest path. So this is something very beautiful. We will be doing an introspection kind of a thing during this Mercury retrograde time, and try to create opportunities for ourselves for the times ahead. So basically, Mercury retrograde is a time when you need to reassess yourself, you need to rethink about your capabilities, bring about the necessary changes, because this is a magical time to create new opportunities and renew your energies. Practice extreme self-care and self-acceptance. Alright, so I will be talking in detail about each and every aspect, and the kind of affirmations you need to practice. Please make a note of it. I tap into the medicine and guidance of Mercury retrograde. I am ready to reconnect and renew my energies. Practice self-care and self-acceptance. Please note that down in your notepad so that you can practice it whenever you need it each day. If you start practicing affirmations and spiritual practices early in the morning, it will be a part of your life for the rest of your life after 21 days. Just 21 days you need to practice whatever I'm teaching you each day nowadays. If you write it separately in a journal, it will become a part of your life for the rest of your life. Okay, so let's get on and learn more about what this Mercury retrograde has to say for all of you. So first and foremost, I would like to discuss is what are the things that you might expect to happen in this Mercury retrograde. So it's time and again that I would like to say that don't create fear for yourself. Allow yourself that extra time to prepare for certain unexpected delays. So there can be certain unexpected delays, changes in your plans, technological glitches, some virus ruining your software or something. So be extra careful. Already take the corrective action and the preventive action. Recheck each and everything before signing a document. Take legal help wherever required. If there are certain delays which are unexpected and unavoidable, go with the flow. Don't force responses. Be mindful of your words. You could get angry, and because of which you could spit out words which can be harmful for you in longer run. So keep yourself limited to expressing yourself in a few words. Double check all your emails and texts before forwarding them. Okay? Reread them, check them, and then only send. Now we come to another part is that if at all you feel that there is a negative energy around you during this time of Mercury retrograde, so all you need to do is rethink and recommunicate, step back, reevaluate, reassess, and then move forward. Take time to discover things, what is being left behind due to which this negative situation is being created. Thirdly, just make sure to be extra gentle to yourself. Take utmost care and indulge in self-care. Declutter your spaces and take enough rest. Keep your immunity high. Feed yourself with warm, fresh, home-cooked meals. Mercury retrograde does not mean that you are going to suffer any loss. It is just a time to reevaluate yourself and things around you. You can expect yourself to be more open-minded, be receptive to new energies. You could experience blasts from the past. Your ex could certainly pop up. Gentlemen, be careful. You could have emotional outbursts due to certain past issues or traumas, to be on the serious side of discussion, which could bring up old memories which could be disturbing for you. So you need to heal yourself with Ho'oponopono prayers and let go of these patterns. Be prepared and leave plenty of time to schedule and account for travel delays and technical glitches. If you have travel lined up for you, leave for your airport, etc. well in time. It could be possible that you miss a flight, or there could be an unwarranted delay. There could be hang up in your tech gadgets that you are using. So run the necessary antivirus software already on your laptops and desktops. Declutter your phone. If you have memory running out, declutter your phone, declutter your almirahs. Double check all the texts and emails that you are sending across. Spend one time self-care in a day at least. Embrace this chance to take a step back. थोड़ा सा अपने आप को पीछे हटाइए, reassess yourself and then start moving forward. So this is your friend, mentor and guide Neeti, and now we are going to discuss that what are the kind of crystals you could use during this time so that you feel more balanced. So, when I talk of crystals, crystals are like living angels around us. They're very, very effective, and we have angels for almost everything, and likewise, we have crystals for everything, isn't it? So, during this Mercury retrograde time, crystals can be of great help to all of you. And since this Mercury retrograde is only from 14th of January to 3rd of February 2022, the first retrograde of the year, we're going to have 3 more. I'm going to guide you with certain crystals for if you want to first of all transform and heal and reflect well, then there's a crystal for you which you can use during this time for meditation. You can simply keep a labradorite in your hand and meditate and pray. It'll help you heal your past issues. You will be able to transform from the hidden issues which stop you from moving ahead in life. Okay, then we have another beautiful crystal which has the powers of moon, and it is called as a selenite. It is a beautiful crystal which can help you cleanse your overactive mind. If during this time, at any point in time, you feel that your mind is overactive, then wearing or keeping a selenite close to you will help you connect more deeply and help you stay grounded, keep your angers in control, and make you think with clarity. Okay, during the Mercury retrograde time, you will also feel that your intuition is not working up to the mark. Your wisdom and your decision making power may be affected. You may seem confused. During that times, adorning a fluorite can be of great help. A fluorite, a selenite, or a labradorite are crystals which can be easily bought from any e-commerce website, and they'll be delivered to you at your doorstep, or you can go and buy from the market. Now we have a time when our emotions are going very strong and we have emotional outbursts during this time, during this 14th January to 3rd February. Then what do? During this time, you can easily adorn a hematite crystal or a bracelet or a pendant. It will help you keep control of your emotions. Okay, and just in case you feel that there is a lot of electromagnetic frequency around you, when does this happen? That electromagnetic frequency starts damaging your vibration, starts damaging your aura. It is when you use electronics for a lot of time, you work in front of computers and laptops with a lot of time, for a lot of time, you are a tech person, then you find it difficult to speak from your heart. You cannot express yourself. One, and simultaneously you work long time on computers, and you feel that you need to protect yourself. If out of all the three conditions, 2 are there, then Amazonite is the crystal for all of you, and it'll help you protect your energies. You will start speaking from your heart. It'll protect you from electromagnetic frequencies of electronics and protect you from any damaging effects of the same. All right. Also during this time, as Mercury retrogrades will make you speak unwarranted, as I've also mentioned, that you might end up speaking and blabbering things which you don't need to. So a clear-cut miscommunication can lead to disharmony. It can lead to quarrels. It can lead to understandings. So how do you protect yourself from this, because it can ruin many relationships for a long time. So possessing an aquamarine crystal or a bracelet and wearing it can be of great help. You can buy these whichever you think you will be needing, and just wash it under water, cleanse it with a clean towel, and pray upon it for next 1 or 2 days with it in your hands, and then simply keep it in the in front of your god in the praying area, and then simply wear it. Okay, so this will help you, protect you, and guide you, and keep you grounded. I wish you all happy times. Do take time to reveal what's hidden, do take time to reassess everything, and take care of all the pointers that I have given. I hope this helps you all, and wishing you all mindful Mercury retrograde. This too shall pass. It's not a bad time. It's only a time to be careful and reassessing your work and yourself. Thank you so much, all. This is your friend, mentor, and guide Neeti from Healing Vibes signing off. Bye bye.